I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tom yum soup veg step by step. Start by preparing mushrooms, tofu, lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaves, chilies, lime juice, and vegetable stock. Chop aromatics roughly for a bright infusion and set aside while you heat the stock to a gentle simmer. Bring vegetables and aromatics to a gentle simmer, not a hard boil, so the broth stays clear and fragrant. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain or leave aromatics in for rustic texture, and season with soy sauce, a bit of sugar, and fresh lime juice for bright balance. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for effortless voice control after messy cooking sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Introduce mushrooms, tofu, tomatoes, and baby corn into the simmering broth and cook briefly until just tender. Finish by stirring in lime juice, torn cilantro, and sliced spring onions. Then taste and tweak heat or acidity so the soup sings with citrus, spice, and umami in every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.